Okay, so I'm looking over the reports to see where students are at, and I look here in my attempted but not yet learned. Can you see that panel right there? And it says that there are 14%. Okay, so there's looks like there's about 3 students that have attempted this topic. It's probably due tonight. 3 that have attempted it but unsuccessfully. And that's been like that for about an hour. So I say to myself, what can I do to help? Maybe I have a video on my YouTube channel for that, and students just need to go look at it. Let's see if it's here. Right there it is, right there, 14%. Okay, so if there's a topic that's due tonight, writing the net equation for a sequence of reactions. I go and check my YouTube channel, and I look at that video, and it's actually, in my opinion, pretty. It's not a good video. So let's just leave it. Let's leave it at that. So I say to myself, all right, let's make a new video and do better, and then I'll send out a link to the students, and hopefully this will be helpful. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm using a new software here, so I'm going to do a, let's see, screenshot there, I think will give me that. And I think that's going to go to my desktop. And I'll go to my whiteboard and open that up. Sorry for the background noise. It's such a pretty day out there that, there we go. Okay, so this is, let me go make sure this is the same one. Writing the net equation for a sequence of reactions, and I've got P2O5, diphosphorus pentoxide. Let's go back over here, and that's it. Okay, so this is the same topic, phosphorus pentoxide. Let me go shut that door and see. I've got a helpful young man outside cutting the grass, but hopefully that's not too distracting. All right, so let's look at this together. Let me go to my whiteboard. So what we're doing is, this is basically like we did with Hess's law. And if that's unfamiliar to you, it shouldn't be too big of a problem. What we have here is, let's go with red first. We've got, we're going to write a net equation. Okay, I get that. Writing a net equation. Let's see if I can write on that. Writing a net equation. Okay, I'm going to have to stay off of that screen, it looks like. All right. So writing a net equation. Let's go, maybe if I make a new layer. There we go. Okay. So, writing a new equation, writing a net equation for a sequence of reactions. Phosphoric acid, I'm already going to sleep here. Rust inhibitor, food additive, blah, 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 blah. Can be synthesized using, gotcha, 2-step process. Okay, and the first step, okay, I got it now. And I'm guessing here, yep, there it is. There's my second step. Okay, so I've got these 2 steps. I get it now. Let me go to a different color marker. And it looks like here's my first step. And here's my second step. I get it. All right. Okay, I get what's going on. So it looks like I'm making phosphorus pentoxide in the first step and using it in the second step. I get it now. So what's going on is I'm going to make it here and consume it there. Here's the problem. I've got 2 moles of phosphorus pentoxide here, and I'm only using 1 of it in the second step. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to say, all right, looks like this is going to give me 2 iterations of this second step. So if I make 2 here and I consume 2 here, that's good. You see what I've done is I've taken, if I make 2, or rather if I consume 2 moles of phosphorus pentoxide, how many moles of water am I going to consume? If it's 2 of this, it must be 6 of that, right? You see that? So I'm going to put a 2 in here. Get rid of that 2, make this a 6, and make this a 4. I just multiply everything by 2. And now I'm ready to add these things up. So it looks like if I'm producing, let me go with another marker yet. If I'm producing, let's go with orange. If I'm producing 2 moles of this and consuming it over there, they're going to cancel out. You see that? And so now all I have to do is I've got to write everything that I'm making. So looks like these are all the things I'm consuming. Those are all my reactants. And my products, oops, I got rid of that. Looks like this is all my products. See that? Okay, so it's going to be P4 plus O2. Got rid of that, plus water, right? It's going to produce, it looks like, phosphoric acid. Okay, I get what's going on now. Now let's put the numbers in there. It looks like it's going to be 1 mole of P4, 5 moles of that, got rid of that, 6 moles of that, and 4 moles of phosphoric acid. All right, and the last thing I've got to do is put my states in there. Let's go with a little bit bigger. Hopefully that's good enough. And what is that? Looks like that's a liquid. Got that. Looks like that's a gas. Got that. That's consumed. We already got rid of that. We already got rid of that. That's consumed. Now water, looks like that's a liquid. Okay, and phosphoric acid, which is a liquid. Okay, so that's my answer. So let's go back over to the, this is just a whiteboard application. Let's go back over here to the screen. I'm going to click solve and we're going to see that it's the same thing. P4 liquid, 5O2 gas, 6 water liquid, 4 phosphoric acid liquid. Let's see if I got that right. Let's go back over to my whiteboard, and I did. 4 phosphoric acid liquid. All right, so that video is a little bit shorter. I wanted a little bit less in that video, so hopefully that's helpful. And I hope you'll get at me with your questions. Good luck to you.